Hello everyone, welcome to the Psychology Explorers channel. In this video, we will be discussing a very interesting topic that may be of concern to many people, which is how to make a relationship last longer. Everyone wants a healthy and harmonious relationship, but it is often difficult to maintain a long-lasting romantic relationship. Therefore, in this video, we will provide some tips and advice to help you build a strong and lasting relationship. First, we will discuss the importance of communication in a relationship. Good communication will help partners to better understand each other and avoid unnecessary conflicts. For example, in effective communication, it is important to listen attentively. When your partner is talking about their workday, take the time to genuinely listen without interrupting or cutting them off. Show interest and attention by responding and asking relevant questions. Next, we will discuss the importance of spending time together in a relationship. Couples should be able to find time to be together, engage in activities together, and create special moments. For instance, you can plan a weekly date night where you take turns surprising each other with fun and exciting activities. It could be a romantic dinner, a picnic in the park, or even trying out a new hobby together. These shared experiences can strengthen your bond and create lasting memories. Then we will discuss the importance of supporting each other in a relationship. Everyone has their own dreams and life goals. Therefore, partners should support and encourage each other to achieve these dreams and goals. One example of support is actively listening to your partner's aspirations and offering encouragement and constructive feedback. You can also help each other by sharing resources, providing emotional support during challenges, and celebrating each other's accomplishments. By being each other's cheerleader, you build a foundation of trust and mutual respect. Lastly, we will discuss how to deal with conflicts in a relationship. Conflict is a part of a relationship, but how we handle it is important. One technique is practicing active listening and empathy. When conflicts arise, take the time to understand your partner's perspective and validate their feelings. Avoid blaming or attacking each other, but instead focus on finding a resolution that satisfies both parties. It's essential to communicate calmly, express your needs and concerns, and work together towards a compromise. So, those are some tips and advice from Psychology Explorers on how to make a romantic relationship last long. We hope the information we provide is useful and helps you build a strong and lasting relationship. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Psychology Explorers channel to get other interesting videos about romantic relationships.